guys! Welcome to Instant Pot Tip Wednesday. My name is Alina if you're new here, and every Wednesday I share a tip about my super loved by me Instant Pot. I do love my Instant Pot a lot, that's why I'm sharing tips. So if you're looking for more Instant Pot tips, make sure to hit that button subscribe below and the bell icon next to it, that way you will not miss anything. And you don't want to miss anything. No, but seriously, you will get email that the new video has been posted and you will be Instant Pot smarter every single week. Today's tip is how to speed up the pressure building up process. And I have 3 tips for you to do just that. Hi guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Tip number 1, and you will be mind blown when your Instant Pot starts to come to pressure and you will hear bubbling and you can see it's kind of like hot and a little bit of steam is coming out from the release valve. Like, you know it's gonna come to pressure now. So what do is this. Ta-da! Tip number 2, use boiling water or boiled water, whatever that is. Before you start getting everything ready for Instant Pot, fill your kettle with water and let the water boil. So when you add boiled water, it's already hot, so Instant Pot will take shorter time to heat up and build the pressure, because that's how pressure is being built, by super hot water and the steam and not letting it to escape and stuff like that. And tip number 3, if you can, try not to add frozen ingredients if you want things to happen faster. I understand sometimes it's like frozen corn or frozen meat and it's not a big deal, but just keep in mind when you add anything frozen, vegetables, meat, water, don't add ice, just add water. Things will take, first Instant Pot has to melt it to cold water and then it has to be heated to build the pressure. So just keep that in mind. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I use them all the time depending on the day. And don't forget to come back this Friday for a super delicious healthy soup recipe. Every Friday we share recipes and every Wednesday we share tips 9 a.m. PST. If you like this video, press this. And don't forget to subscribe right there. See you next time. Bye.